I'd like to thank the Asians for this 3rd of July. For the fireworks.
For the gunpowder they supplied for our fireworks.
You can't. Thank you. We love our.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jackie!
Look at that.
Oh, that was pretty.
Bam. That one looked a little rogue. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Hi guys. Does anyone else feel like they should have been driving a little bit slower because they're trying to take off a wheel? Swag.
Oh, it's not over. It's not over. Tricked you.
I'm pretty sure this is better than the lakes. It didn't know
He said, you must not have been to the lake.
He was like, yeah. Wait, no.
I think it is.
Oh, well, no.
Oh, child.
Yeah, redneck boy.
Caught it flipping.
Oh, look at that. What? Dude, I'm gonna sit down. Oh. Sound like we're going rogue again.
Is it sad that it's Independence Day in America, but I'm really thanking China for these awesome fireworks right now?
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, our American flags are made in China now anyway, so.
So screw it, right?
Yeah. It's like, remember when the
What doesn't China make now? Seriously?
Remember the Olympics when like they got in trouble for like making the polo like things for the what's it called?
Up, fireworks still going.
It never ends. It never ends.
Perpetual fireworks. Light up that fuse. Woo woo. I'm gonna
Spark it up.
I
mean the fireworks.
I wanna pop.
Up.
I want a song.
That was actually really good. Purple.
It's gonna have me What?
I guess I'm getting paid to do this. Like to be a professional industrial fireworks.
These pyrotechnics. These are really good too.
That one looked a little premature.
Yeah, it was.
Oh! That was really good.
That was awesome. Whatever that is, it's still burning. Okay, it's done.
No, it's still
Oh
going.
my god. Perpetual fireworks.
What does perpetual even mean?
Perpetual means never ending.
It never. Every time I hear the phrase "it never ends," I think of Bring Me the Horizon. Never ends. Have you ever heard that song, Never Ends by Bring Me the Horizon? Oh. Bam. Bam. Bam.
That was awesome. So many fireworks. This is still
Whoa.
happening.
Uh-oh. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Okay.
my God.
For a second, I thought something went wrong. Hey, guys. Hi. Hi, guys. Oh, my God. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, my God. Okay.
Everyone's gonna be so high by the end of this. Like I'm not even
If these
lying.
were,
all
if
these
these were like,
if there was marijuana,
if there
in
was
there,
marijuana somehow in,
we would be
it
down.
packed into this. Hey, they're not even doing theirs anymore.
Yeah, they stopped.
They just watching ours now. Uh-oh. Okay. Ooh. Oh.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
I can't scream, but that was fantastic.
That was amazing.
Not stopping.
Thank you, China. What's up, guy?
It only took 6 months to plan it.
That's pretty impressive.
That was really impressive.
Is it still going?
No, it's over.
Really?
Yeah. It was really good though.
Thank you, China.
Oh, I lied.
I didn't think so because I remember him telling me about the. Oh, it's gonna be loud. Oh my God! That's an ending. Thank you to our Asian brohams who made all these fireworks.
Okay, now that was awesome.
If it's not done, I'll be shocked, but I'm pretty sure it's done. Hey, Kendall, is it done? The smoke's gonna be here for a couple days.
Yeah, it's thick.
That was awesome.
Loud. It was loud.